Hello everyone, this is JR once again and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, it's a little too late but still allow me to greet all of you a happy new year. I really wish that 2021 will take us to our highest of highs after going through our lowest of lows last year. So, new year, new beginning, therefore, new vlog. So for my first vlog this 2021, I decided to finally give in to the Korean craze. There's Korean dramas, K-pop, and of course, Korean food. I personally love Korean noodles, so join me as I prepare instant Korean noodles that are easy to make. You can do this at home. So look, I have here the Shin Ramyun and also fried noodles, which is beef bulgogi flavor. Well, basically, instant noodles, so you can simply follow the instructions from the packaging and then you're good to go. You can eat it, but for the vlog, we'll level it up. So join me as I take on adventure with these two kinds of Korean noodles. Before we continue, I'm inviting you to please subscribe to my channel. You may click that subscribe button below along with the bell button so you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Well, I'm hungry, so join me and let's get started. Let's first cook our beef bulgogi fried noodles. For this one, our additional ingredient is only beef seasoned with salt and pepper. First, let's cook our beef, and for this one I'm going to use our electric griller. You can actually use the regular pan that you have at home. It's just that this electric griller hasn't been used for a while, so I decided to make use of it for today. So here. Okay, so now let's cook the noodles. I'm going to boil 500 milliliters of water and I think pwede nang ilagay yung gulay para maluto. Let's wait for it to boil. Just put the heat to high para mabilis kumulo. Okay, medyo kumukulo na yung tubig. So, let's add the noodles. Halu-haluin lang natin until it's perfectly cooked. Looks good. So I think I can turn off the heat now and then let's drain the noodles. Now, time to add the sauce. And of course the beef. And let's mix them well. Easy, right? I haven't tasted the beef, so hopefully lumambot siya. Or else, extra challenge sa pagkain. And okay, para may excitement, mamaya ko natitikman yung Jjapaguri along with our ramyun. So let's move on to our next noodle. So this one, meron siyang sabaw. But for now, we'll start with frying the luncheon meat and then the sausage. I'm heating the pan now. Let's just add oil. Well, sa mga ibang napapanood kong videos, they already assemble all the ingredients. But for me, I wanna fry our processed meat first. May langgam. Adding the spam. Okay, mainit naman na yung mantika. Sorry, hindi pala ito spam. Luncheon meat. So both Pure Foods, this is Pure Foods luncheon meat and then Pure Foods Hungarian sausage. But if you can afford spam, go ahead. And I think this is good. Maluluto pa naman ulit siya later. So I'll just turn off the heat. And then let's assemble the other ingredients. And this is how I assembled it. So we have here the kimchi, tofu, the luncheon meat, and then the Hungarian sausage. And then any vegetables will do, whatever works for you. Pero ako, meron ako dito nilagay ako ng pechay. And now let's bring it to a boil. I'm going to add 1 liter of water since we're cooking 2 pouches of noodles. Another one. Okay, siguro pwede ko na i-add yung seasoning. So now we just have to wait and see. But so far, it's looking good. Smells good also. So I'll just clean up while we are waiting. Where is the lid? There you go. And it's boiling. Now let's add the noodles. Can't wait. Oops. So ako pa isisiksik tong isa. Okay over there. Ilubog lang natin para maluto. And look. Let's add the cheese. Kala mo alam na alam ko yung ginagawa ko, pero I just watch this from YouTube as well. Let's just wait for the noodles to cook, and then we will add the eggs. Let's mix the noodles. Ayun, nag-melt na yung cheese. Yummy. I think we can add the egg now. One more. Ulit natin. And here we go, guys, our Shin Ramyun with tofu, kimchi, vegetables, luncheon meat, Hungarian sausage, and cheese and egg. Turning off the heat now, and let's get ready to eat. Alright, it's time to eat, guys. So I have here the ramen with soup, and then the Jjapaguri. By the way, I don't know how to use chopsticks, so it will have to be spoon and fork. I don't know, I tried, pero kung gutom ako, mas nagugutom ako pag nagcha-chopsticks ako, and it just didn't work. Pinapahiya ko lang sarili ko, so let's stick to spoon and fork. Simulan natin dun sa sabaw, kasi baka matuyuan na siya ng sabaw. Anghang, pero tolerable naman. Let's taste the noodles. Sakto, in fairness, hindi overcooked yung noodles, and well, the sabaw, guys, it's, how do I say it? It's very savory and flavorful, so I think it's from all the ingredients that we've combined. Nalalasahan mo. Even the cheese, I think it's what made the soup creamy. Sarap. Wait lang. Crispy yung vegetables, so perfect. Then, try natin yung luncheon meat. Perfect. And what else? The tofu. Noodles ulit. Ayun yung egg. very nice, guys. Because actually, yung basic na soup, just the noodles and then the seasoning, the basic cooking, it's already good. So now we added ingredients. It made it taste even better, and again, savory and flavorful. You should definitely try this. And before I keep talking, let's move on to the next one, which is yung una nating naluto, the Jjapaguri. Well, just a little trivia. If you watch the movie Parasite, this is featured there. So during the climax of the movie, yung time na yung mom from the rich family has to call because their out of town was cancelled due to the bad weather. So she called the helper, which is the mom from the poor family, to prepare food for the kids. So ito na request niya. She requested for Jjapaguri for the kids. So that's when the other family found out that papauwi na sila, at doon nagsimula ang gulo sa movie. I remember that movie, and well, when it comes to being a fanatic, I must say bago lang ako. Wait lang, tikman muna natin siya. Also good. Matamis-tamis siya, which is hindi yun ang type ko sa pagkain, but the flavor is there. It's good. I think the beef helped para mabalance yung sweetness with the other flavors. Kasi with the beef, I seasoned it with pepper and salt. So, good. Try natin yung beef. Medyo challenging siya kainin. Hindi yata tama yung pagkakaluto ko. But malasa. Very good. I think this would be better kung may kimchi, kaso naubos na, nilagay ko lahat dun sa isa. So, next time. It's worth the effort, I must say. Nice one. Alright, well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have time, you can try this at home. Not exactly what I made. You can make use of what you have at home, the ingredients you have in your fridge. Make the most out of it. So that's what I did. Alright, well, before I say goodbye again, I want to say thank you for your time. And please do subscribe. Please support me on this YouTube journey that I just started. Please subscribe and click that bell button. I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you have feedbacks and comments, I'd love to hear those. So please leave a comment. And I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Nabubulol na ako. Ang sarap ng pagkain. I have to go back to it. So, bye-bye and see you next time. I'm still here. I'm gonna finish eating and wait for you to click the subscribe button. Please do so. Subscribe. Subscribe. Really, please do subscribe. Bye-bye.